Hi, I'm Chef Zan. Today I'll be sharing with you my Hari Raya favorite, Makmur Peanut cookies. I'm a baker. To be more specific, actually I'm a pastry chef. I do a lot of baking, especially cakes, pastries and cookies as well. I'm proud to say that I'm the owner of the Zan Street Baking Academy, which is already run for 7 years till now. And I'm also the author for my first book, that's Baking with Chef Zan. My mom used to be a baker. She owns a shop 20 years ago, a little very quaint bakery store selling all the traditional kuih. For example, like onde-onde kuih, kuih lapis, mostly glutinous-based kind of kuih. And mostly I was always there to help my mom, so there I believe that my passion grew. With this Kenwood stand mixer, I've created many recipes such as durian swirl cake, mango cheese tart, eclairs, and to name a few. Guess what? I'll be giving away 50 of my new recipes book when you buy the Kenwood Chef Excel Sense. There's a lot of new recipes that you can use for Hari Raya. This Makmur Peanut cookies is a mandatory for Hari Raya. I love to share and impart my knowledge to others. Therefore, in 2012, I opened my own Zan Street Academy baking school. Makmur Peanut cookies is actually a very traditional cookies where on every festive season usually have that on top of the table. It's a must cookies, okay? So in fact, for every year, on every festive season on Hari Raya, me and my family, we will start sitting down and start doing this Makmur cookie. And this especially, Makmur cookie recipe, is actually from my late grandmother's recipe. I would like to wish everybody Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, and I hope you enjoy my Makmur Peanut cookie recipe.